Yes, class 10th. So this is your book's first flight and second book, Footprints Without Feet. Okay, so in first flight, now the first chapter, A Letter to God. Okay, so all the students take out your books, Letter to God. So this chapter, now you seen through the heading, A Letter to God. So you see, a letter to God, that someone is writing a letter to God. Okay, so who is writing a letter to God? Lencho. Lencho is writing letter to God because Lencho having a firm faith on God. He having a totally faith on God. Lencho having a firm. Good morning, students. So I told you that how Lencho was very much worried when all his crops were ruined because of the hailstones, because hailstones ruined all his crops, and that's why he was too much worried, and he was thinking now what's he have to do. I also told you that he was comparing hailstones with the plague of locusts. Locust was an insect which fly in big group and destroy all the crops. So that's why he was too much worried, and he was thinking that now what he have to do, because all his hopes was now destroyed, because he was thinking that if his crops were getting better, he can earn money, he can save for the future. But in the hearts of all who lived in that solitary house in the middle of the valley, there was a single hope, help from God. So लेंचो कि जब सारे क्रॉप्स डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाते हैं, एंड किसकी वजह से डिस्ट्रॉयड हो जाते हैं, बिकॉज हेल स्टोन्स की वजह से डिस्ट्रॉयड हो जाते हैं, डेट्स वाई लेंचो के पास एक ऑप्शन बचता है, डेट गॉड. सो उनकी वाइफ, उनके चिल्ड्रंस, everyone getting the hope that God will help them, because now everything was getting destroyed, and he was thinking that how can they spend all the year, because all the crops were getting destroyed, सारी crops destroyed हो चुके हैं, they don't have any money, so how could they survive now? So don't be so upset, even though this seems like a total loss. Remember, no one dies of hunger. So he was saying that don't be so upset, that because of hunger no one dies. भूख की वजह से कोई मरता नहीं है. That's what they say, no one dies of hunger. So he was thinking that he wants to write a letter to God, because only hope that Lencho have towards the God only. So he was thinking that God will definitely help Lencho and his family also. So Lencho was thinking that I could write a letter to God. So Lencho को लगता है that मुझे एक लेटर लिखना चाहिए गॉड के लिए, सो डैट बिकॉज लैंचो को बहुत ज़्यादा फर्म फेथ था गॉड के ऊपर, दैट गॉड विल डेफिनेटली हेल्प हिम आउट. सो दैट्स व्हाई ही वांट्स टू राइट अ लेटर टू गॉड. एंड गॉड, ही रोट, इफ यू डोंट हेल्प मी, माई फैमिली एंड माई आई विल गो हंग्री दिस ईयर. ही ऑल्सो राइट अ लेटर दैट इफ यू नॉट हेल्प मी, अगर आप मेरी हेल्प नहीं करेंगे, so what's happened, so my family would die because of hunger. So he wants 108 pesos. Okay, so peso is a currency of several Latin American countries,